Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we will discuss about the basic command of Linux. The basic command, lecture number 4, concern about the basic command of Linux. These commands are very basic and very important commands. The basic command, mostly people using the same command in everywhere. But these are very basic command but very important commands. The first command, basically normally we are using ls command. I am just using ls command as previously I showed you man ls. We can read the basic information of this. Ls mean list directory contents. In this command, by using this command we can list the content of the directory. I am just clear the information. I am just going to the home folder. I am just putting the ls command. We will see there are so many folders and files are there. Okay. Then by using, as previously we see, I am just putting to get the information about the ls command. I am just putting help. We will see different switches here. Help minus, I am just, I will use this one. This is, we can use minus a switch, we can use minus d switch, we can use minus h switch, g. There are so many switches are there. I will show you. inodes print the index number for each file. Okay, what number is getting from operating system level file is storing, then by number that number we can get inode numbers. Similarly, we have list command is there, long list format. So let's see what's happen. I'm using different. I'm using here different switches to see the content of the file, like ls minus l. I'm using l. L mean list with list content but the long listing. See, we can get more detail about this one. I'm putting one more switch here, ls minus a. I'm putting a. A is providing dot folders. Dot files are dot folders. Here dot, here is dot mean hidden. I'm just putting ls minus l. I'm not checking so many files here. These are normal files, but when putting a, it means that it's coming with the hidden file also. So you will see hidden files and folders coming here by using a command. We can use minus I also. This I providing inode numbers backend. Which format, how sequence number is stored in the hard disk level. This number is showing here also. We can use also. See, I'm just putting removing a. I'm just bringing brief information. Clear ls minus ls li with, see, I need to know the size of the files or folder. This is not a human readable form, it's very difficult to find it's a kb or mb whatever. I'm just putting ls minus h. We can use h also. H mean this now is clearly mentioning that 7.5k file size. This is 4.0k is folder size. In this way we can see the ls. The second command, this is a pwd. Pwd print working directory. I'm just putting the pwd right now. My current directory is the root, then home, then temp. I'm in the home, then temp folder. I'm in the temp folder. I'm in the temp folder. Similarly, right now my current directory is a home directory. pwd we can use the print current directory. Then we have very basic and very useful command that mostly used in the Linux engineers in the system level or server level. They are using cd command. cd command same in the Windows. We are changing the directory level. cd, I'm just right now I'm putting ls. Right now I'm in the root level. I'm just going to the cd, then going to the like home. I'm putting home. Right now I'm in pwd home folder. I'm just again putting c, then putting this one, I'm going to the inside the home directory. In home directory, sorry, in home directory there is a temp user. I'm going to the temp. See, you will see the I'm typing here present print working directory. Now I'm home and temp folder. Similarly, we can come back in the cd dot dot one level up. I came one level up. Cd dot dot I came one level up. Now I'm in root directory. There is no more directory here. See, it's empty. So similarly, we can use move the inside the directory and come back the directory. I'm putting one switch is there, tilde sign. Cd tilde mean uh, home folder. We will home folder of the root, any user is we are coming the home folder. Now I'm in home folder of the root temp folder. My ID is a temp, user ID is temp. See, user ID 500. This is mean temp user I'm using here. So I'm in the home folder of, I'm just putting ls command, then we will see the information about this one. Then I have one very useful how we can create folder. We listed the folder, we see different folders coming, but how we can create folder here in Linux environment. Right now I'm in temp folder. I have one command that is called mkdir. Mkdir I'm using temp test folder name already exists here, test. Okay, good. I'm going to the temp folder also. Right now I'm in current here, I'm mkdir temp 1. See, folder created temp 1. I'm going to the into the folder. I see, you know, temp folder is created. Similarly, if I want to create multiple folders, folder inside the folder, folder inside the folder, then how we can create? If I'm creating in this way, there I'm in temp 1, I'm creating temp 2, temp 3, temp 4, anyway subdirectories, but we will see the error message here. No such files or directory. To create subfolders into the subfolder, we have to use a switch before after the mkdir minus p. Permission denied. I cannot create directory here, permission denied. I am just going to the root level, then I will show you. I am in root folder, I am mkdir minus p temp 1, temp 2, temp 3, temp 3. C ls. Okay, the folder created under the root level. So temp 1, temp 2, temp 3, pwd I created. Similarly, I am moving back and I want to delete the folder. Okay, I want to delete the folder. I am just going to the folder temp 1 cd temp 1 temp 2. I am going to ls command. I have one folder. I am just going to the list the folder mk rmdir. Okay, rmdir temp. This folder is deleted, but if I want to cp etc password, I am putting into the temp into the temp here. I am just ls password file is here. I am just going back pwd. Now I am in temp 1 folder. I am just removing this folder temp 2 temp2 is error is coming because directory is not empty. We must make empty directory rm. If you want to delete, this with some content files or folder inside the folder, then we will use the one switch. This is rmdir minus p, okay, minus p, then directory name, directory not empty. Just wait. Then we can use to delete. I'm just going cd dot dot, I'm just rmdir minus p temp1 temp2 directory not empty, rm